Remove the first character of a string. I would like to remove the first character of a string. For example, my string starts with a column and I want to remove that only. There are several occurrences of column in the string that shouldn't be removed. I am writing my code in Python.
Python 2.x. Python 3.x. Both prints.
Depending on the structure of the string, you can use lstrip. But this would remove all colons at the beginning, i.e. if you have colon foo, the result would be foo. But this function is helpful if you also have strings that do not start with a colon and you don't want to remove the first character then.
Deleting a char. It deletes all the chars that are in indexes. You can use it in your case with del underscore, your underscore string, 0.
Your problem seems unclear. You say you want to remove a character from a certain position, then go on to say you want to remove a particular character. If you only need to remove the first character, you would do. If you want to remove a character at a particular position, you would do. If you need to remove a particular character, say a colon, the first time it is encountered in a string, then you would do.
Financeiro Boichano, Façamos Laki, SSI.